Chef Ramsay, I watched you make the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich while you were in Tasmania. And yes, that definitely was the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich, if by ultimate you mean ultimately bad. So since you seem to not know your way around a grilled cheese sandwich, at least not one with melted cheese and properly toasted bread, let me show you how it's done. There is something special about a grilled cheese sandwich. And to make the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich, you want to start with the bread. Some nice grocery store sliced, pre-sliced bread. And to make my grilled cheese sandwich with this bread is a dream come true. First, take the bread. Now, let's take some butter and put it aside. You don't need butter to grease up your grilled cheese sandwich. It's got enough grease from the cheese that can melt. And the cheese that I get to use today, it's my pleasure to have Colby Jack. A big, thick block of Colby Jack. And we take the Colby Jack and get some nice slices for your cheese. Some beautiful, beautiful slices. You want to make sure this luscious, melty cheese covers your entire slice of bread. So we're going to use 2 slices for each side. Each side is key. Oh, some beautifully sliced cheese covering up the bread perfectly. It's exactly how you want it. A nice layer of luscious, melty, flavorful Colby Jack cheese. The secret to the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich is having your griddle at the perfect temperature to toast the bread and melt the cheese. It also helps that Colby Jack melts very easily. So we're going to turn on the griddle while we add the other secret ingredient for the ultimate grilled cheese: fresh, homemade tomato slices. The acidity of the tomato slices are just going to elevate the flavors of the cheese and the bread. The acidity of the tomatoes mixed with the meltiness of the cheese and the crunchiness you're going to find with the toasted bread will elevate your senses to heaven. If you do not have a wonderful grill slash panini press, don't worry, a regular skillet will work just fine. You just need to smash the bread down as you cook the sandwich. And now we wait. And now we turn it on and we wait. It's cracking. It's heating up. It's a lot of cracking. I would press down, but as you will watch, this will lower on its own. There's no need to touch it. But if you had a skillet in a fireplace, you would want to press down on your sandwich. Listen closely. That is the sound of melted cheese hitting the skillet. Let's take a look. A little bit melted. The bottom's harder than the top, so we're going to flip it. Very well toasted. Not melty enough. Let's continue. Ah, more cheese melting, hitting the pan. Not yet. Not yet. Take a look. The oozing cheese. Let's see the other side. Wow. Extremely well toasted. Beautiful coloring. A nice toast. Let us show you how well the cheese has melted. No grease on the board. Perfect. Ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Listen to that. Crispy toast. Is there cheese pull? No, but not necessary. The cheese is melty, especially on the sides. Look at that melt. Look at that melt. And there you have it. Perfection on a grilled cheese. It is melty. Well toasted. Flavorful, I'm sure. Let's find out. Oh yeah. Wow. The flavor of that Colby Jack mixed with the acidity of the tomatoes makes a symphony of flavors. A combination that you need to try. Let's go on again. Oh, dry, crispy bread, not greasy on my fingers. This truly is a delight for the senses. Oh, but don't take my word for it. Let's see what Happy Healthy Daughter has to say. So now that Happy Healthy Daughter has woken up from her slumber, and I have reheated this ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Don't just take my word for it, Chef Ramsay. Let's see what Happy Healthy Daughter thinks.
It's good grilled cheese. The bread is crispy and crunchy. There is a good cheese to bread ratio. I love cheese. And I like bread. The tomato is nice because it adds a different flavor and texture. So it's not just cheese and bread. It's good seasoning and good texture. And it's good.
There you have it, Chef Ramsay. The ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. Okay.